BAZO Borescope Endoscope, 18.4 feet with tip attachments, hook, magnet, protector, and more. It hooks up to your smartphone. And what we're going to do is show you what you get in the box. It has an adjustable LED and an angle HD 1080p camera. Laid out on the table is the 18.4 feet of my sensor camera with LEDs, the manual control and LED adjustment with the USB-C end. They give you a lightning plug and a USB-C plug. We have the instruction guide. Inside will be the QR symbol for the application and the instructions on how to use the product. The carrying case, as well as the attachment pieces that will go in, most of them. You have the right angle piece. So this way, when you put it in an area, it could look straight out on the side. You have the magnetic piece that it grips something nice and heavy. You have the hook piece that you'll hook and grab. And then you have a lens protector, nice and small. We'll demonstrate to show you how you attach it to the lens. You simply grab, place over, and screw on. And it'll hold on nice and tight. Screw down firmly and then loosen to take off and counterclockwise. Please keep on the protective light covering to protect your lens from any scrapes and damages going through different devices. You cannot put on any additional pieces because it is only a lens protector. We're going to place on the USB-C to lightning dongle firmly and press firmly into the smartphone for a proper connection and turn on the unit. Use Plus would like to communicate with the device, and we press on there and open up. Use Plus, allow, and opens up. Download the application. As the application is open, we have here is a back out button to the main screen for language and watermark. We have the camera and album area, and this is the cog gear that brought us to this particular page. We hit on the camera, it opens up in a portrait mode as well as a landscape mode and a split mode. We can rotate the screen. We have a box that goes from color to black and white. And we have a book. In the split view, we could take a photo and it'll compare to the existing photo, going through drains, a muffler system, a car, a laundry machine, electronics, mechanical, air conditioners, and more. We could take a video by pressing on the video and record a video. It is in HD 1080p and the light is in the on position, as you can see. Then we have this is the camera off and on to show you over here of your smartphone. So we can look through the endoscope and do a picture-in-picture type of image. We have a zoom of 1.0, 1.5, and 2.0 and back to 1.0. On the controls, if we press on the button, it takes a photo or a video. We can adjust the light down by a variable degree of increments. And we can shut the light off altogether. Going into the photo by pressing the photo, we have two photos. And on the top upper right, as we click on it, we have a PDF making. It tells you what to do through the tutorial and generate. So you got pictures and images and send to a professional template to your project and more. We have a PDF template switching. Two different templates. And we have an historical report of the template that you made, a record. Now that we've gone over all the details of the application, it's time to take the endoscope and show a couple of scenario shots. Please keep in mind, this is a flexible hose that we could simply go in with the light, as we could see what it looks like through the laundry chute that we need to be cleaning out. If I take the light and shut it off, you can see how it gets dark and you can't see that the light helps. Our chute is over 15 feet away. Our shaft, our tube is over 15 feet away, and I need to clean. We'll go as far as we can. As we're putting through, we have no audio on the actual application. And we are at the end of our chute. As you can see, all the dirt as we pull out. So if you're looking for an endoscope, portable, compact, smartphone driven, for drains, going up and down, this may be something that you are looking for viewing through a smartphone in 1080p. So looking behind in the back, you need to look for something that you need to see. Adjust the light level. Looking behind walls, drop the tool, and the endoscope is going to scope out. To simply looking into the dryer and seeing what it looks like if the area is clean from the opposite end. If you're looking to see behind walls and in dryers and you want to transfer your video over, it's as simple as going into the video, picking it and hitting it and sending it out to a location of your files and whatnot in the program. Without the endoscope attached, we're still able to get into the albums and we're able to go into our photos and videos and choose and send it out to a location of your choice. The kit gives you everything that you need to find your keys, lost items, small items, behind the wall, behind the dryer, behind the fridge, down the chute, and more. It's portable, fits in your backpack, in your toolkit, in a nice carrying case. Enjoy your Borescope Endoscope, and thank you for viewing.